welcome to all. In today's quick learning, we will learn sort and filter or custom sort in Excel. Here we have set of data having product ID, product, unit, rate, sales, discount and customer type. These are set of data and let's start with the sort in Excel. Sort, you can see that option under data tab and sort. Here we will go with custom sort. Shortcut key for this is Alt DS from your keyboard. And third method is you can do right click and custom sort. Okay, sort and custom sort. So let's go with the first question which we have is sort the data as per the product. Let me correct this spelling. Okay, sort the data as per the product in ascending order and discount as descending order. Let's go here, Alt DS. Okay, sort by product, okay, as ascending order. So ascending order will be the A to Z. And when we want to increase the label, you will click under add label. If you want to delete the label, then you can do delete label. So second is discount as per the descending order. Discount descending order. Cell value should be small largest to smallest. If you want to duplicate any label, so copy label and you can change the heading and that same label you can use. Now I want to delete the last one. We will go with product as ascending order and discount as the descending order and click on OK. So this is sorted. Product as alphabetical order. Okay. B, C, D, E and discount as descending order. Maximum discount on top and minimum is like this. There are two baby care and dairy. That's why it's rounded up to this beauty. So as the first come first preference it took. Second, sort the data as per the colors. So here we can see set of data having colors. Okay. So for that you will do Alt DS from your keyboard or you will go to data and sort from here. Custom sort. Okay. We want to sort. You can add the label if you want. Add. Next is sort data as per the color. So colors are there under customer type. Customer type, you want to sort this as per the color. So color is what? Like cell color or the font color. So there are font colors. It will ask you which color should be on top. So let's go with the green on top. Okay. Then next you can add the label if you want. After green you want some other color, then you can sort as per that value. Same font color, green. After green I need blue on top. Okay. Then you can go with some other label. Color type, customer type, color, font color. Say this one, yellow on top. And last one will be the red. So it goes like this because other data are sorted. We will just clear other filters. Then we will come to know result for this. I will just clear other filters. Okay. Let's go for sort. Let's clear this first one. Delete label. Delete second. Delete. Okay. Let's keep this one as green because as first one as green. This as blue. Okay. Customer type. Another label. Add new label. Customer type. Cell color or font color. You can go with some other option on top. So this thing is sorted as per the color. I had removed remaining filters or sort and we went only for the colors. So new customers on top, after that loyal, after that gold and silver. So even you can sort as per the colors. Now to sort as per the icon. So there are no icon in this database. Let's add the icon. How we will add? Using formatting. or conditional formatting. And formatting tab is there under this home, conditional formatting, icons. Let's go for some other. Okay, now I want to filter data as per the icon. So you will go to same data, sort, custom sort. Okay, I'm adding this label here, add label, sort discount percentage as per the icon. Okay, conditional formatting icon, and then you will click OK. So icons are sorted. If you want to make icon as green color on top and red on bottom, so even you can do that with that sorting. Okay. Now the next question is, sort product ID as descending order and sales in ascending order. Product ID descending and sales as ascending. For this same data, sort, custom sort. I'm just clearing all this label. Clear, clear. Next is what? Second last question, which is product ID as descending. So add the label and you will go with product ID as descending order. So cell value will be descending means Z to A. Add another label product ID. After that we will need the sales as ascending. So sales as ascending. Ascending means smallest to largest. Here will be the cell value because that is the cell value numbers and we need as per the ascending order. Okay. So product ID descending and sales as ascending. Less sales on top and so and so. Okay. Last one is sort discount as descending and customer type as ascending. So you will go to same data and sort, clear both just to avoid confusion and go with the last question which is sort discount as descending. So add the label and sort discount as descending. Okay. Cell value should be largest to smallest and customer type as ascending. So add the label and customer type as ascending, which will be the cell values. Okay. Ascending A to Z. So cell values G on top as it goes as per the data too, like discount and the customer type. So discount as descending and customer type as ascending. In this way, we can use custom sort to analyze your data, which is there under data and sort and custom sort. Thank you for watching.